Good morning. Welcome to Refinitiv Market Update. My name is Ranjith Raja and I'm the lead analyst for Refinitiv Oil Research, Middle East and North Africa. In today's market update, we are going to be going through the attack on the Saudi oil facilities over the weekend and how it impacts the global oil market and what it means for the kingdom in terms of their production and exports in the coming weeks and months. So the attack on the Saudi oil facility, which is specifically the Upcake oil facility, is of important significance mainly because of the role it plays in the Saudi oil network. This particular facility acts as the source in which the impurities from the crude are removed and also processes the crude in order to produce the Arab Light and the Arab Extra Light, which is being produced for the clients. And also, not to mention, this also acts as one of the facility in order to make the crude safe for storage and transportation from the kingdom. And in terms of the production volumes, the Saudi administration has informed that almost 5.7 million barrels per day has been suspended, and comparing that with the Saudi Arabian production volumes as per the last OPEC survey that we had conducted, it was about 9.6 million barrels per day. And this shows almost 60% of the kingdom's production facility has been suspended because of this one single attack that has happened over the weekend. And what it means for the exports is that because the production volumes have taken a significant hit, operations were suspended at the port of Ras Noura and Jumeirah over the weekend, causing a significant pileup of ships, leading to almost 21 ships as of yesterday and 23 ships as of this morning. And this also includes the number of ships that have been loading, that were brought back into loading since yesterday. And we have seen a drastic increase in the number of ships that have been loading from the port facilities, purely with the aim that the kingdom is trying to compensate for the lost operational volumes over the weekend as well. So in terms of the overall exports, we are expecting Saudi Arabia to average around 6 to 6.1 million barrels as of today. And if they are able to maintain the amount of exports that they have maintained in the last couple of days, we can see a little bit more in the coming few weeks, but definitely expecting it to be much lower than the 6.9 million barrels that we saw back in August 2019. And in terms of the inventories, Saudi Arabia, as per the last inventory, had about 185 million barrels in their storage, which equates to roughly about 27 days of their exports. But they will also need to assess what will be the critical level of inventory that they will have to maintain and sustain for their domestic consumption as well. So if the processing facility is not brought back into operation, and if there is a significant delay that is being expected for the entire plant to be brought back into operation, we expect exports to start taking a hit somewhere around the end of October or early November in order to meet their client requirements going forward. In terms of the prices, we have seen oil prices shoot up to almost 10% following the market opening on Monday. And right now, the oil prices the Brent price is standing at about $68 or upwards of $68 per barrel, which is still a significant premium of almost $8 than what the market closed on last Friday. And again, if there is no indication from Aramco in terms of how long the expected refinery upgrade is going to take or the refinery maintenance is going to take, then that can definitely lead for the prices to shoot up in the long term as well. For more updates, please tune in to Refinitiv Icon or please reach out to your account managers, and thanks for listening.